the fashionista tita, the heart evangelista ng Cayman Islands, Tita Rosemary Hula. Welcome to Paris. Welcome to Paris Fashion Week, tita.
Jay, marami ka na pakalanan sa akin.
See, 18 years old. Yes. Kicking. Sexy.
Parang ayaw mo lang pumunta dito eh. Pero sa lahat ng Another Chance employee, lahat kayo paborito ko.
Yeah.
I don't know if I love him. No way. No, but I love him so much. And this gift is part of your Rolex.
Wow! He's gonna cry!
Tita, September is my birthday also, tita. I would like to promote.
What's up, mga Leo?
I hope you appreciate it.
Yeah.
What will I wish for you? I always wish it all. Thank you for the friendship. Even though I'm not from another Gen strip shop. And parang ako naiiyak. That's it. Pansit. Thank you.
Picture tayo.
Thank you, Ate Lawrence. Thank you.
Next one is Miss Daisy Taral. Ay, Toriel. Sorry, ate. My mistake. I'm sorry.
Ba't dinadala mo ko, te? Joke lang.
Ito ba? Ito ang black? Picture daw muna.
From Ate Daisy.
This is my gift to you. But this is, do you know that the best precious gift is the precious moments you make to people. And I thank you for being part of your birthday party. That means we are invited. That means that we are close to your heart. And don't ever forget that you're the best treasure of your loved ones. Thank you for this invitation, and thank you to be part of your birthday. Happiest birthday, and God bless you all.
Alright, thank you. Easy. Alright. Here we call Miss Joy. Proceed to.
Next is the one and only Miss Sharon Coxon.
Parang check-in ng progressive yan.
Hello, yan. Alright, okay. Happy birthday, Noe. So I have a Bible verse birthday for you. So from Numbers, chapter 6, verse 24. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and His face shine upon you. That the Lord may be gracious to you, that the Lord face toward you and give you peace. So, sabi kanina, ang real treasure is actually number one sa God, no? And next is yung treasure that you spend with lovely people around you. So I truly wish you well. We declare God's greater blessings, financial breakthroughs, good health to you and your whole family, and may you continue to be a blessing to many other people. And also that continue to do things which is in the accordance of God's will only. Okay? Many plans in a man's heart, but always God's plan prevails. Okay? So acknowledge Him in everything that you do. So God bless the works of your hands. Happy birthday. You're a darling. We love you. Enjoy this treat for you.
Wow, pero ba yan?
Hindi check it yan.
May paanggulo.
Ayan.
Thank you, Ate Sharon. Next, may we call Miss Sheila
De La Cruz.
Miss Sheila De La Cruz.
Happy birthday, Noe. Thank you for letting us be part of your very special day. Please remember that you're also a treasure to everyone around you. Very hard to find, and we'll make sure that we'll keep you.
Ayaw pa natin.
Next is Miss Edna Isip.
Introduce mo ka. Super introduce mo ka. The best supporter.
The next one is our most beautiful and favorite, Miss Esther Morton.
I like your dress.
Happy birthday, Delby. Another chance thrift shop has been a blessing to this island, and it has brought some wonderful people, and it's a joy for me personally to come into the Another Chance thrift shop to shop, both thrift shops and outlets, knowing your greeting is infectious. And when I walk through that door, everybody knows me by name. I know he's the first to run and hug. And most of my days, you may not know that when I come there, is days that I'm battling some of the worst days of my life. And walking through the doors of Another Chance thrift shop, all the burdens fall right at the door by the greetings I receive from the staff there. And now when you see me come through that door, Miss Esther, you want coffee? Miss Esther, I think you would like this. Come and look at this one over here. It brings, it's, I'm sorry, I'm lost for words, but not only you know it, I have to say to everyone, each and everyone in here, they know me by name. And even though Jessie is my favorite,
She's out right now.
but now when you bring something to me, you sure do. And I feel honored today to be here at your birthday celebration. I really felt honored. At first I was like, oops, I'm the only person that looked like me here. But when I saw Sandy over there, and Sandy, it's hard to fit into another culture, and you blend in very well. And what I like about this culture is that you guys are so family oriented. You enjoy life, you have fun, no matter how hard life might throw at you. There's always a smile on your face. So you guys kind of lift my spirits each and every time I come around you. So happy birthday, Noe, and I'm glad I'm able to celebrate with the Another Chance family and extended family. Thank you. And by the way, my dress is from Another Chance thrift shop.
All right, thank you, Miss Esther. And the next one is also our favorite, the fashionista tita, the heart evangelista ng Cayman Islands, Tita Rosemary Hula. Welcome to Paris. Welcome to Paris Fashion Week, Tita.
Marami ka lang kasalanan sa akin.
See, 18 years old. Yes. Kicking. Sexy.
Parang ayaw mo na pumunta dito eh. Pero sa lahat ng Another Times employee, lahat kayo paborito ko.
Yes.
Because all of them are so nice. That's why I always commend that in your boss, you are very lucky to have all this Another Chance employee. I'm very proud of you guys. I love you so much. And this guy, I don't know if I love him. No way. No, but I love him so much. And this gift is part of your Rolex.
Wow! He's gonna cry!
Tita, September is my birthday also, Tita. I would like to promote.
May pang-down na daw ako ng Rolex.
Wow! Pwede naman ang shareable. And the next one, last but not the least, Miss Teresa Stahl. Ate Leia.
Kamusta?
Yung Nina.
I'm just gonna hold the candle there. Give a message there.
No way. I just want to say, I'm wishing you wishing you the biggest slice of happiness, not only today but for the coming years. Happy birthday, Beau.
Next is Miss Kathy Cabajo. Grand entrance of the CEO.
Brilliant CEO.
CEO ng Brilliant.
So pretty, Miss Kathy.
I know. I just wanna say thank you for everything. You're always helping us, even though you're always busy with your team outlets. Just one call and you're already. I just wanna wish you good health, success in life, and happiness. We love you. Yeah, you know.
Nalasing na yun. All right, and let me call Miss Pinky Bonzon.
Ako better know, hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko sa'yo kasi nasabi na nilang lahat sa'yo. Sana magiging bye-bye.
The next is Miss Maricel Bonzon.
Hi, good. Wish ko sa'yo na maging successful pag Orgondo and more vlogs coming. Yeah, dapat sa'yo mo kami ba?
Next is Miss Merlin Pablo.
Ano ba? Everyday naman, lagi kami magkausap niya. At saka, alam na rin naman lahat yun. Yun, masaya ako para sa kanya kasi nakikita ko na ang dami nagmamahal sa kanya. Ito yung pinag-uusapan namin 2 years ago. Diba? Kaya natutupad niya na. Kaya, happy birthday, Noel! Lagi kang mag-iingat. Love you!
Sana daw yung taga-picture niya.
Yes!
No, it's not shot.
Ating what a shot.
You want shot?
Ito lang.
Sabi niya sa akin, i-message ko na lang sa'yo. Happy birthday, Noe.
May the Lord bless you always and your family back home. I wish na lahat ng dreams mo ay matupad. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Ay, naku, makaano pa tayo dito
Alright, thank you, Ate Ina.
I thought you want me to read long.
Forward ka ba?
Forward. Ay, sir, no. Madulas.
Happy birthday and good health, siyempre. Saka mga pangarap ko din sa buhay. Yung mabuhat ko. So yun, happy birthday. Cheers.
Oops, picture mo na. Oops. Tinira na.
Jesse George.
Naka-1 kilo.
Ay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Grabe naman yung pinuno niyo si Jess.
I would like to say thank you everyone for
Birthday ko!
it's my birthday.
Birthday mo!
You sure?
No, I just want to say happy birthday, Noe. Listen to this.
Sandali.
You're an amazing person. And don't ever forget that. Your soul is pure, your heart is golden. And don't listen to anyone that says otherwise. Don't let anyone dim your light because you are a superstar. Amen.
Take a shot.
Parang lasing na si Jess.
No, I just want you to have the best time of your life, you know. And we are so proud of you. Really. You did your best. Good job. We love you so much. Happy birthday. More babies to come. Good health. Long life.
Is Miss Abby Manuel.
Happy birthday, Sir Noe. My wish for you is sana maging wealthy ka in every aspect of your life. And then more blessings to come, especially to your baby boy. He's so amazing. And that's it. Happy birthday. Enjoy your night. And then more birthdays to come, and God bless you always.
Alright, and the best shot goes to Froylan. This is his favorite part of the party. Diba, Froy? Come and drink all. No, only one.
Sir, nasan yung torch?
Kala mo
Sir, excuse me. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir. More blessings to come and good health. I thank you. Picture ko.
Siya na din yung nagano.
Look-alike yan. Okay, bonito. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Next one is Mr. Roden. Yeah.
Okay. What's my message? Well, first, I know your plan is 2025. So, keep it there. So, I just want to say that just focus on your goals. Continue to be kind. Continue to inspire others. I know you're loving husband and father and son to your, and we just want to thank you for of course for the friendship that you given to us, not just the co-workers, and thank you very much. Cheers.
Oops. Tinira na.
Thank you, Mr. Rodan. For Miss Divina.
Thank you, Kiteki.
Happy birthday. May your birthday be as incredible as yours. More blessings, good health.
What's the legend?
Oh, she wants more. Okay, hold on pose. Okay, 1, 2, 3. She wants more.
Alright, the next one is the sister of Sir Noe. And she has a high tolerance when it comes to alcohol. Ate Ruby. Yes, high tolerance. Very like 100% alcohol.
Yes!
Maganda.
Akala ko na ko na yun.
Oh, pakita yan ng buhok ko.
Hello, Marcus. To my little brother.
Little ba yan?
Happy birthday. Thank you for the love and always respect us as your ate. And also, those memories that we have, it's like precious because you're always there for us families. So, I hope and I wish that always be in a good health and always be happy. Everything happening in your life, always put God first. So everything will be okay. Because in God, everything is okay. I always said, always, God is good all the time. Any problems, always ask God and pray to Him. So everything's be okay. Just be happy. Just be humble. always put your foot on the ground. Okay, I love you.
Thank you, Ate Lovely. Cheers! No. Next we have the other sister, Miss Lisa Tamaray.
My mother.
Alright, thank you, Ate. What's your message?
Ko na lang yung wish ko sa'yo.
Iluto niya na lang.
To the president. Laura already told everything about you. So I can say nothing. But happy birthday.
Share na daw sila.
Copy-paste.
Copy-paste with the message of Ate Ruby.
Cheers for your birthday.
Yes.
Ay, ubusin.
Akala ko kasi tequila.
Ay, uy! Tequila kasi gusto niya. She wants the tequila.
Thank you, and there you have it, the shots, the birthday shots for Noe. And now let's proceed, because all of you are amazing. All of you give this great effort to dress well tonight. But Sir Noe chose one, and that is no other than Miss Esther. Congratulations, Miss Esther. I think because of the raffles, maybe.
Yeah. Because of the...
Another chance! I can't say anymore, another chance!
Because of the silver shoe.
You win an Oscar award.
Wow! Congratulations, Miss Esther.
You want a solo picture?
Yes.
Like that!
The off-shoulder.
Wow.
Solo.
Solo Miss Esther.
Give me your...
It's just to give me
Go my Oscar!
Your Oscar.
Look at it. 1, 2, 3, yes. One more. 1, 2, and...
Oh, alright.
Children chocolates.
Oh, sure.
Yes! They said you just keep turning.
All right,
Keep turning, mommy. Keep turning.
Turn around.
Turn around. Oh. Left. Wow. Woo. All right.
With pride.
Come on. Where's your trophy? I need your trophy.
Supporting boy.
Stage wide.
Stage wide.
Okay, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, of course. Yung mga co-workers ko, syempre. Ayun, see you tomorrow sa shop namin. Guys, meron kaming 20%, 25%, 50%. So ayun, thank you so much guys. I love you all. Bye!